Hey, good morning, guys. What's going on? What's going on? Another day in the markets today. It is Tuesday, September 10th, 2019, second week of the fall session. Let's get it going. So, yesterday, what did we see in the markets? SPY actually continued its Friday sell-off sentiment. We saw it drop down pretty close to the bell, about another point and a half before finding support and then going red to green into the close, slightly green. Um, and it pretty much took a lot of the sectors with this. Tech sectors got hit pretty hard. A lot of elevated prices. A lot of securities are overvalued, and investors, had some rethink. The street just obviously, put some shares on the market. Pretty much profit taking, not really short selling, pretty much profit taking. So, you may see these levels moving forward for a bit before they start to increase back to that pre sell-off level across the board, and some tech securities that probably didn't belong at those elevated prices. But across the board, sector-wise, we had a 6-5 bear split. Energy took top spot. Healthcare took the bottom spot, and we're gonna kick it off today. So we're having the SPY's gapping down pretty hard pre-market. So we may have continued selling pressure. That being said, we've seen the reverse time and time again, so don't think it's just going to be sell-off across the board. So, as always, proceed with caution, guys. You always got to move with the market and to be patient, let the trend set up, and then you obviously enjoy the ride. So let's kick it off with Baba. We got 5 on our watch list. Baba's, as you can see, trading this channel from last week. Pre-market, it's trading at the low of the channel. So we're bullish on Baba, but it needs to hold these levels. It's a pretty strong, pretty significant intraday level right now. Pretty much weekly level that we think it needs to hold to obviously push higher to that 174, 178, 180 level. Obviously, as you can see, there's pretty strong resistance level here. Needs to punch right through it. That being said, if it does, then he obviously has a lot of room to run. But all eyes are on this breakout right now, so just be patient with it. If it gets to this level again, look for a possible breakout without getting reversed on you. So just be patient with it. Next up, we got Facebook. Facebook's running. As you can see, it closed up just shy of a point and a half yesterday. It's in that channel as well on the daily, coming up on this 50-day. That being said, it should have a nice run today if obviously the market runs with it. So we're going to be bullish on Facebook. Any opportunities to pull back to VWAP will mitigate. NVDA. Obviously had a nice day yesterday as well. Closed down just shy of 2 points. Obviously selling off a little bit pre-market with the rest of the market, but that 185 that we have on our target, pretty close. Got tapped, almost got tapped yesterday. I think the high was what was the high yesterday? 184. So we're a point away. We think that this will get breached, and then obviously run to that 190. 195-ish, so to speak. High is what, 193.26. So I'd say at least 190. So, if it makes this run to the 185 level, look for another, 3, 4, 5 points to the upside for NVDA. PANW closed down pretty hard yesterday, just shy of 5 points. It's defending its 50 and the 200 day on the daily. So let's see if that holds. If it holds, it should have a nice buying opportunity for everybody. If not, it'll crack right through it and then fade lower. That being said, we think it's going to hold and push higher. So we're going to be patient with P, A, and W. And if it gives us opportunity, we'll mitigate to the north side. So Roku printed its worst day of its run since it started cracking in May. Obviously, we knew it was coming. How long is this the backside, or is just more squeezing? But this is definitely the worst day it's had since its run, so it's significant. That being said, it's probably going to have continued selling for a couple of days. Obviously, the first channel's coming up. As you can see right here, 158.55. So, it's not far. So it's pretty much a point away from its pre-market prices right now. If this level does not hold, we look into the 150 level for that 50% retracement. So we're keeping an eye on it. And, all eyes on our ROKU. Actually, this is what we're focusing on today. So, if it's going to give us an opportunity, gets any stuff that VWAP will lay in it. If not, then obviously, we're going to get chopped up in this thing. Just be patient with the move. That's what we got, guys. We got 5. We went into our watch list, and as always, guys, like we say, just be patient. Be patient with the price. Be patient with your setups, and as always, you need to respect your stop. You're wrong. Cut your losses quickly, very, very quickly, because you can always re-enter your position. Don't marry. Don't get caught. Don't be stubborn. cut your losses. All right, guys. Have a great day in the market, and we're gonna catch you later.